Hi, my name is Eric Lyons, and this is going to be a CoGe tutorial on using SeqView, CoGe's tool for viewing and interacting with genomic sequence data. So there are many ways that you can get to SeqView, but you cannot get to it directly from the home page. This is one of the intermediary tools that you link to from a variety of other CoGe applications. For this example, we're going to begin with Organism View, and we're going to use it to find some genome of interest, and then go ahead and extract some DNA sequence from its genome. So let's say we're interested in one of the Arabidopsis genomes. So we can type in up in the name box Arab for Arabidopsis, and we can see that we have a couple of Arabidopsis organisms, Lorata and Thaliana. So we'll go ahead and select Thaliana. We've got multiple genomes to choose from. This is because there's many versions of this genome and many different states that the genome has been processed. So we're going to pick version 8 of the Arabidopsis genome that's unmasked, and we're going to select chromosome 3. And then we're going to go ahead and extract some of the sequence, specifically the first 100,000 nucleotides. So all we have to do is just click Get Sequence, and we go into SeqView. So SeqView is a tool for just playing around with sequence data in FASTA format. And so this is where you would go if you wanted to copy and paste the sequence for export into some other tool or be able to save it to a file. So you can just double click on the sequence and you can highlight it and you can copy and paste it. If you want to, you can calculate the GC content, and it will dynamically calculate what that is. In this case, it's 37% GC and 62% AT. We can use this to reverse complement it. And if you want to, you can protein translate it as well. So this will generate a 6-frame translation. In this case, it's probably pretty meaningless because we have such a large sequence we're working with. Let's switch back to the genomic sequence. The wrap button just changes the format from having the sequence on a single line versus being broken up over multiple lines. If you want to, you can change the extent of the sequence that you're viewing. So in this case, we're starting at position 1 and ending at position 100,000. We could change this to position 2 million and go to 3 million and grab a megabase of the sequence. We do that by respecifying and then just clicking redefine sequence. This may take a little while for the sequence to propagate and get updated, but we have it come back here. We can also redefine it by just adding sequence to the 5' and 3' ends as well. And this tool allows us then to send the sequence to other tools for analysis. So we can send it over to CoGe Blast, we can scan it for tRNAs, we could send it over to Viennafold for looking for secondary RNA structure. Again, probably not a useful thing to do with a megabase of sequence. And then one of the other fun things we can do is we can use this genomic region and try to find any features of interest. So if we wanted to find all the underlying genomic features, we can select all of them or pick some subset that occur within this genome. In this case, I'm going to look for things that have been annotated as protein coding, and I can select to extract them by just clicking the Extract Feature button. And this will then send us over to FeatList, which is a program for managing lists of genes. So this is just a quick overview of this tool, and I hope you have a chance to take a look at some of the other tutorials about CoGe. Thank you.